India's announcement of a record Rs 7.85 lakh crore defence allocations for 2026 and 27 shows the Modi's regime prioritization of militarism, making it of highest defence budget India has ever presented. This represents an increase of around 15% compared to the previous years. Supporters of the move say the decision reflects the government's focus on strengthening national security. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh described the budget as historic, stating that it aims to build a stronger and more reliable security system. He also noted that a large portion of the funds has been set aside for modernizing equipment and improving the overall capabilities of the armed forces. A substantial share of this budget is directed towards capital investment, including the purchase of new defense technology and infrastructure. According to officials, this step is meant to accelerate modernization and enhance preparedness for future challenges. However, some observers view the increase from a different perspective. They point out that India continues to face social and economic challenges such as unemployment, poverty, and public unrest in certain regions. From this viewpoint, there is a growing discussion about finding a balance between defense priorities and investment in social welfare. Particular attention is also being drawn to regions like Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, where long-standing tensions and heavy security presence remain a part of a daily life. Analysts suggest that alongside security measures, dialogue and peaceful engagement could play an important role when it comes to fostering long-term stability. As India moves forward, the choices it makes in balancing security development and regional harmony will continue to shape its future and influence the broader South Asian region.